Hi, welcome to this tutorial on being able to simplify fractions. What I'm going to do here is I've got three examples of these fractions here that I'm going to put into their lowest terms. So let's have a look at example 1. I've got the number 16, the fraction 16 over 24, and I want to write it in its lowest terms. What I need to do is I need to look for a factor of both 16 and 24. And the best way to do it is look for the highest common factor of both those numbers. I know that the number 8 goes into 16 and it also goes into 24. So my answer is going to become 16 divided by 8, which is 2, and 24 divided by 8, which is 3. So 16 over 24 reduces to 2/3 in its lowest terms. Now, some people will look at that and not realise that 8 goes into it straight away. So what they do is they start to halve 16 over 24 because they know that 2 goes into it. Well, that's perfectly okay to do that. Half of 16 is 8, half of 24 is 12, and then they'll halve it again to give 4 over 6, and then halve it again to give 2 over 3. You get the same answer, but it's going about it in a rather drawn out way. Example 2 now, 27 over 63. Of course, we can't use this method for this one because these are odd numbers. So we need to look for the highest common factor. 9 is the highest common factor of 27 and 63. I know that 9 goes into 27 3 times, and I know that 9 goes into 63 7 times. So I get my answer 3 over 7. If you didn't see that 9 went into it straight away, but you could see that 3 goes into it, we could again do this one in stages. 3 goes into 27 9 times, and 3 goes into 63 21 times. Then I could say 3 goes into 9 3 times, and 3 goes into 21 7 times, and get my answer in 2 stages. That would be fine as well. Okay, the last one here, example 3. It's pretty clear to see that 5 goes into both of these, but there is a larger number. 25 will also go into both of these numbers. 25 goes into 125 5 times, and 25 into 1,000. Well, I know 25 goes into 100 4 times, so it must go into 1,000 40 times. But now, of course, I can see that 5 is a factor of both. So I can divide both by 5. 5 divided by 5 gives me 1. And 40 divided by 5 gives me 8. So what I could have done straight away, I could have seen that 125 goes into both of these numbers 1 time and 8 times. And I could have got my answer straight away. It doesn't matter, we've done it in 2 stages. It's fine if you do it in 2 stages, 3 stages, or 1 stage, as long as you get it to its lowest terms.